So there are two reasons why I like this broom holder or broom and pretty much equipment holder. One, it's very easy to install. As you see right here, this is screw onto the wall. It provides you screws and also the plastic anchors you would need to screw into the walls. There's 1, 2, 3 points of screwing into the wall. So for example, you have these anchors that come included. And two, another reason why I like this broom holder is ease of use and the utility. So this is pretty much the broom slash whatever long equipment tool holder. You can see we have brooms right here, and there's also hooks that you pull out that you can hang other things. As you see right here, there's a hook right here. Now, it's easy to put this broom in. As you can see, it uses these roller balls. I can just push it in and it locks into place. Simple as that. And these hooks, the same thing. I can take these tools with hooks or holes and put it on here. This broom holder is excellent because it's easy to install and it has utility. And just like that, this is how you use this.